Hey everyone, in case you didn't know, my name is Danny. I am the proud captain of the famous Cindy Mae. Yeah. Oh, that's a no mine. Let's find my boat. There she is. Let's get into the cockpit and have a seat. We're going to talk about the super thanks button. Oh, what's this, huh? Is that a cool top or what? Yeah. Alright. Alright, so you grab up here, put a foot down there, up you go, huh? Right, just grab this, pull it down, and you're inside your own really cool little place. Alright, let's talk this super thanks button. Okay, first I'd like to recognize all the people that I know of that donated to my super thanks button, or as it was called a few months ago, the applause button. I really appreciate it. I think y'all are just awesome. A million thanks, really and truly. What I found out, this is really strange, is that some of the people that donated, and they donated the $50 ticket, and lots of them donated smaller ones, were put into the videos or the comments that were held for review. Now, I don't know why YouTube would censor their own app. Kind of strange, isn't it? They're supposed to be promoting it. Anyway, one of the things I thought of is, everybody should have this. If they're making quality content and pushing it out there, they should have the super thanks button. Reason being, it gives you incentive to make better and more videos. And it also, these are some of the thoughts that I have on it, and that would be that if everyone would to donate just even $2, it would make YouTube see that it's more of a thing people want rather than no one knows about it. And maybe you could get the super thanks button also. If I'm not saying donate to me specifically, but to your favorite channel, just find one of their videos if they do have the super thanks button. I would like to thank everybody that donated to the new super thanks button. I think it's a pretty cool little thing. A lot of them got censored by YouTube. I don't believe that they actually intended to censor their own app, but this is what I found out, that the person's name and their amount of money that they donated on the button went to videos review section. Basically, YouTube censored it. Something triggered their censorship doohickeys, and that's where they went. And I'd like to thank everybody that donated to the super thanks button. That would be Toby Candenhead, Mona Cherie, Video Breakthrough, and all others that I didn't get to see. It would seem that YouTube censored its own app, and it placed them in the video review section, and I never saw them. Eventually YouTube deletes them automatically every 50, 60 days, whatever. So I'll never know who donated all those wonderful $50 and $20 and $2 because they were moved into the video whatever section. But once again, Toby Candenhead, Mona Cherie, I'm sorry everybody, Video Breakthrough. Also would like to thank the Super Chat people. They're the ones that have recently donated to the Super Chat on the live streams. Sailor James, Video Breakthrough, Doc William, Chris from Atlantic Drain, Toby Candenhead, an Atlantic Drain, and many others. Alright, so where should we start? I got enough from the applause button and the new super thanks button to go on a pretty good little trip. It's starting to cool off, and I think we should do that. This will be a completely viewer funded trip. So I'm going to ask everybody, where should I go? I can go a lot of places. What do you think? Yeah, I would like to see more comments, see more thumbs up. Yeah, wouldn't mind seeing some thumbs down. But now is the time, yeah, for a totally viewer financed trip and movie. And I'm going to try to do better. YouTube already asked me to do better. Oh, really, they did. So we're going to make a better one for you. So let me know what you think down in the comments section. And again, I thank everyone that donated to the channel. It really helps. And we're going to go some cool places. Just let me know. Give me some ideas. Thanks for watching.